Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne, and on here I do share videos on study and life in Italy, and then I also do make faith-based content. So if this looks to be content you're interested in, do consider subscribing to this channel, and thank you for doing that. Okay, so today we are going to talk about CIMEA. Okay, we're going to talk about CIMEA. This is a new requirement that some universities in Italy are requiring students to do. They are no longer asking students to go and do declaration of value at the Italian embassy, but then they are requesting them to do CIMEA instead. So because of that, I'll take you to my screen and then I'm going to show you the entire process.
If you run with me, I gotta work for the both of us.
What you do is you come here, then you type CIMEA. Today we are here to talk about the CIMEA verification. Okay, so you just go here, then it brings you here. Just go to services, then go to statements of comparability and verification of qualification. If you guys saw my other video, you will know we talked about the comparability, statements of comparability from CIMEA. If you've not seen it, do check it out. Okay, so we have here the comparability service. This is for the comparability, and then we have the verification. Okay, but then as you guys know, both with the comparability and the verification, you must always add your consent forms. And then I did show you guys in a previous video how to download the consent form, fill it, and then include it. Okay, so what you're going to do first of all, before we go to access verification, we have to go and check the required documents. So here, so you select your country. In the other video I chose Ghana. Here I'm going to choose Nigeria. Here, so it's almost like the same with Ghana. So secondary living qualification, this, and then higher education qualification, diploma, original language are the documents that are required. So as you are done with knowing the required documents, you come back and then you go to verification. Then you can see here, we all can see the cost, service times. It costs is 30 working days, but then unlike the comparability, the verification, there's no urgent procedure. Okay, so it's 13 days and that's it. It costs 65 euros, and then they have like extra services as well. Okay, so the statement of verification is a document showing the main information related to your qualification, as well as the certification of the verification of the authenticity of the qualification performed by a senior expert. Okay, so when you're done reading everything, then you go to continue, then you come here. Okay, then the type of qualification, you go here, higher education qualifications, then you choose the destination country, Italy, then the purpose of evaluation, access for studies evaluation, then you go to degree you want to enroll in. There's laurea and then laurea magistrale. This is degree, this is masters. But then if you've chosen higher education qualification, then obviously you're going for masters. Okay, yeah. Then document to be certified, then you go to add new document or diploma, degree. Okay, guys, so I got the option to select the diploma or the degree because I'd already done the comparability. Okay, so from their records they gave me that option, and from the comparability I already attached my degree. Okay, you can add new documents. And you upload the document. As always, I'm going to upload like anything Okay, so you upload it, then you confirm and save document. Okay, then what you're going to do is, add the transcript as well, add the ID and passport, and then your consent form. Okay, I did show you guys in how to include the consent form. You come here, then you go here, consent form. There's a 2-page. You need to give your consent for your data to be processed. So you come here, your name, your your surname. I'm coming. Then you give your consent. You write the date. Today is 26th, 04 23. Let's write it below 23. Then you sign, digital signature, whichever way you choose. Maybe you want to print it, sign it, scan it, and then re-upload it, whichever you choose. But then after you're done, you download it with changes. One. Then you save it. Then you come back to the page. Then you include the consent form here. Okay, then you add other optional documents, then you confirm, then you are done. It's written 215 here because during the comparability I chose the verification as well, so the sum is here. But then if you are just coming to do the just the verification on its own, it's going to cost 65 euros. You confirm and then you pay. You confirm and you pay, and then that's it with that. So guys, that is all that has to do with CIMEA's verification process. Okay, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments any question that you have, and then what you want me to talk about next. See you in my next video. Bye.